Hey there! Welcome to Infinite Innovations Tech. In today's video, get ready to witness some of the most satisfying woodworking machines you have ever seen. We bet that's the machine they use to whip up the game Jenga. That design is fantastic. It must fit just perfectly. We will hang out there until the end. Trust us, it's all worth it when you see the incredibly satisfying result of fantastic craftsmanship. This video was tagged as home improvement, showcasing how much he can enhance things. See how equal are the cuts. The precision is fantastic. Now that's how you bent a board. But this is only part of the improvement. Wait for it. So that's how you improve a home. This might seem chaotic, but just wait until you see the final result. If you're into precision, this video will be the most satisfying. And that clicking sound at the end when you attach it to the other piece? Awesome! Check out this wood log. This machine is about to transform it into a thin roll in the most satisfying way possible. Wait for this one. This is going to be the biggest woodwork in this video. Woodworking requires patience, and this took a lot of it. But that design is worth every bit of effort. When we first saw this video, we thought it was butter too. But nope. It's wood and some awe-inspiring woodworking skills in action. Let us know in the comments if you had the same buttery surprise. Well, that's it for today. Remember to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever tried woodworking, or would you like to learn something? Let us know. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the following video.